while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. This video is highly requested. It's about how to do permanent hair removal by using a simple ingredients. All you need: a bowl like this, a quarter cup of vinegar, finally add about 3 teaspoons of shower gel. Mix the ingredients well until you get a large foam. Put this foam on the area that you want to remove hair from it. Use a razor blade to remove the unwanted hair. Then dry with tissue paper. Then wash with vinegar. And don't worry about vinegar, it's used for more beautiful skin. And it reduces hair growth. After this, use any moisturizing cream. Here I'm using Johnson's Baby Lotion. So beautiful! Use this method every time you do a hair removal and you will see the difference. You will get a beautiful skin without unwanted hair. You just need 2 spoons of gram flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of milk. Let's start. First, gram flour, then add rice flour, finally add milk, turmeric. Mix all the ingredients well. Now it's ready to use. Applying your face where you want to remove facial hair. After dried up, gently scrub it and remove it.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but
Then use the rose water. Because our skin needs to gentle care after facial hair removal. Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and let me know what you wanna see next in a comment below. Subscribe if you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.